Today, an unboxing video! This is a package from MSMN Studio. Who or what is MSMN Studio? Oh, right.
MSMN Studio is a new hobby store based right here in Canada. Right here, actually. They focus on selling model kits, collectibles, tools, and paint. I was approached by one of the owners of MSMN Studio about the possibility of working together on some sponsored content. I said no.
Actually, I said that sounds like a good idea, so let's do that.
Today, I'm going to unbox the very first shipment from MSMN Studio. Will you survive?
This is the P-Bandai Master Grade MS-14 Gelgoog High Mobility Type UMA Lightning version. The Gelgoog was provided by MSMN Studio as part of a new build series here on this channel.
My channel.
This will be a new custom build of the MS-14 Gelgoog. Currently, I am planning on doing some modifications to make the mobile suit resemble a combination of the Gelgoog Marine and the Gelgoog Jaeger. This will be fun. As I work on the Gelgoog and continue my other in-progress builds, you will see MSMN Studio pop up as they provide model kits, tools, or paint, and I will let you know when and where you can purchase those items. So please, show MSMN Studio some love and support and check out their store over at MSMNstudio.com and follow them on Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook. Also, remember to use coupon code MERIT5 to receive $5 off a $50 purchase until September 30th.